how to turn on or turn off digital well-being in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, go down and in here, tap on customization service. Now we scroll down and tap on digital well-being. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on digital well-being. Once this is turned on, you can get reports about how often you use your phone or tablet while driving. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.